go over the short trade I took this morning, and it was the heat map that confirmed this trade. So first, I want to go over the structure of the market. So we had some data at 8:30 that causes spike, but I had this 15-minute demand zone that formed yesterday when we made a new low, right, on this current short-term downtrend, and it formed a 15-minute demand zone here, which held pre-market and held over here again. But as we popped up into the supply area, right, it got rejected, right? But there was something on the heat map right around 6,020, which I'm going to show you just now, which is what confirmed this short trade for me. If I hadn't seen that, by the way, it would have been tough to make this entry because we're inside of yesterday's price, right? So it would have been a risky trade to take to the downside, in my opinion. So let's go to the heat map. All right, so pre-market, right, on off of that news at 8:30, you could see this is a volume profile, right? Right around this area, huge buy orders came in here. So you can see over 2,000 something lots, right? Right at 60.20. Now, most likely that was if 2,000 lots got filled here, then it could have been a seller. A seller had to have gotten filled there, right? Also, so keep that in mind. So again, this is pre-market here at 907. That area was defended. Okay, now this is when it became interesting. All right, so the market opened here, and right around this time, 9:36, these offers came in, again defending this 60.20 price. So once we popped up into that, we didn't tap it, but they stayed. They didn't pull after we rejected here. They stayed there. So now I'm reading this as intention. And look, we're rejecting there right now again. They're trying to keep price down still at this level. But at this time here, right, after we rejected this, they kept the orders in. They didn't pull it. So it wasn't like spoofing, as some would say. So if we look at the footprint now, right, around that same time when we pop back up, I'm seeing all this volume in this area. So I make my entry after this candle close. I make my entry on this candle, and I ride this down. I got out at the same demand zone that formed yesterday, that 15-minute demand zone. So let's see it better here. And in this area on this pop, it was looking like they wanted to hold to reverse the price to go back to the upside. But the reason I held through it was because this is currently a downtrend. If we zoom out, okay, this is a micro downtrend. So until we break this high, then I will be looking to take longs again. But in the meantime, this trend is down and we're overextended. Otherwise, I wouldn't want to be shorting this kind of strength. You know. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching.